Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to book the partial profits in Exness in 2026. For that, first of all, you need to come here on exness.com. Afterwards, simply log in into your account if you haven't already. Now, when you log in into your account, you are going to see your real and the demo accounts available here. So simply select the account that you want to open. Afterwards, you just have to select either the Exness terminal or the MetaTrader 5 terminal. If you select the MT5 terminal, you need to download the MT5 application on your PC. Then simply provide all of these login credentials in order to basically open the terminal. Now, when the terminal is opened in front of you, if you already have placed any of these trades, it will be shown over here on this particular page. So when you select your active trade, in the right hand side, you will be shown a bunch of different options like either close the order or position details. So in the volume field, you need to simply enter the amount that you want to basically close. So you just have to simply close 50% of the amount and then simply place the order. And this way you will be able to basically confirm the 50% booking or the partial booking here in Exness. So thank you.